Aloha! In this video, we will show you how to register and enroll for the English Language Admission Test, or the ELAT, for all international applicants whose native language or first language is not English. To register for the ELAT, log into your BYU Hawaii application, and then proceed to click on Continue under the Profile section. In the side menu panel, click on About Me. Fill in the necessary details including your country of citizenship, country of birth, city of birth, and then indicate whether you are currently living in the United States. Select on your primary language, which is your native or first language, and then proceed to select I would like to take the ELAT. Selecting English as your primary language will not give you the option to register for the ELAT. However, international students will still be required to complete an English proficiency language test. Proceed to fill in the remaining details and then click on Save and Continue. You will then receive a confirmation email for your registration of the ELAT. Later on, you will receive another email, which is the enrollment email, containing the link to the ELAT Canvas course. When you click the link, you will be directed to the church login page, where you will log in using your church account login credentials. Once you have successfully logged in, you will click on Enroll in Course, and then click on Go to the course. In the course dashboard, you will first need to complete the instructions module, as doing so will unlock the practice test. Be sure to review the instructions carefully to avoid having issues throughout your ELAT journey. The official test will be unlocked during the official test dates. However, all practice tests need to be completed by then. The official test will not be unlocked unless and until all practice tests are attempted and completed. If you need further assistance or clarification on whether you are required to take the ELAT, feel free to contact the ELAT team via email at elat@byuh.edu. Mahalo!